This is a video of my 42-inch polished brass Harbor Breeze Armitage hugger ceiling fan. I got this brand new in the box on eBay. This is made January 1998, manufactured by Heritage. In the last video I showed it with the schoolhouse light and the oak blades. Now I'm showing it with the rosewood. And without further ado, we will demonstrate it. Here's the light. I am using a 60-watt LED light bulb in there. So that's that. And here's low. The light on this thing is not original. I added this thing shortly after I bought the fan. It's in my kitchen now. As you might remember in the last video, it was in my bedroom. Got a new one. Gonna upload a video of that, so look forward to that. Here's medium. And the high speed is crazy, just listen. And off. And now I'm just gonna give some general information on this. Like I said, this thing was made January 1998, manufactured by Heritage. Bought this thing brand new in the box off eBay. There were a couple variations of this one. There's a white one with an integrated light kit, and then a white one that didn't come with a light but light kit adaptable. Polished brass one with light kit adaptability. Here's my cat. Back to this. And then there was an antique brass version. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, what this thing is worth now, I think it was like $33 back in the day, but it's worth $67 now. And the blades are reversible from rosewood to oak. 4-bladed, 3-speed, electrically reversible, schoolhouse light kit added on. And this thing's pretty cool. I do have the original manual somewhere, but I don't feel like getting it out. And the type of light kit it has is white alabaster. Well, that is it. That is my 42-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage hugger ceiling fan in polished brass. Peace.